Did you know that our chances of dying young are better than 10%? The fact is, hundreds of people in their 30s, 40s, and 50s die every day in an auto accident or from a critical illness like cancer. Of course, we don't want to think that we could be one of them, but it really can happen to any one of us at any time. And if we have a family dependent on us for financial security, we leave them our financial obligations, like a home mortgage, car payments, and college expenses, as well as household living expenses. But without our monthly paychecks, even in a two-income household, the loss of one paycheck can leave a family without enough money to remain in their home or to maintain their current lifestyle. For example, Steve was only 37 when he was diagnosed with cancer. He struggled through 14 months of chemotherapy before he died. And although his wife Susan continued to work, the family budget required both incomes. So by the time he died in February of 2002, they had used up all of his 401k savings and maxed out all of their credit cards too. Steve did have $150,000 of life insurance, but after the medical bills and credit cards were paid off, there wasn't much left. So Susan had to sell their home and move into a rented house in a less affluent neighborhood with a different school district, which meant that they lost their home, their school, and their friends, as well as their husband and father. Susan now struggles to raise 3 children as a single parent, as well as the sole source of family income. And she cannot afford to save enough for their college educations or her own retirement. So she'll need to keep working for as long as she can, and the kids will probably need to work their way through college. Of course, this wasn't what Steve wanted for his family, but he didn't leave them with enough life insurance, even though he could have easily afforded it. Because $500,000 of tax-free coverage on a father or mother in their 30s can be as low as $20 or $30 a month, and on parents in their 40s, as little as $40 or $50 a month, guaranteed for 10 or even 20 years. You can even get coverage that will refund all of your payments if you don't die before you retire or before your children are on their own and financially independent. Think you've already got enough life insurance? Just ask the father of 3, whose wife died of cancer at 31, how much it costs to pay for housekeeping and childcare. Just ask the widowed mother with 2 young children, whose husband was killed in a car accident at 42, how much more life insurance they really needed. Or just ask anyone who lost a father or mother as a young child what it's like to grow up with only one parent and not enough money. Of course, even if you were to die in a car accident today or discover that you have cancer and less than a year to live, your family would certainly find a way to get by without enough life insurance. It wouldn't be easy for them or without some sacrifice, but you would have saved $30 or $40 a month. Does that make any sense?